Today I will teach you how to create your own Grand Theft Auto 5 server. First, you have to download the latest artifact. Just click the latest recommended and wait for it to finish the download. Download latest XAMPP for Windows 2. Once the download is finished, don't forget to install XAMPP. Install Apache and MySQL. Then click Start Apache and start MySQL. Locate your txAdmin by typing localhost/txAdmin. This is where your database located. Now, open artifacts we downloaded earlier. Create new folder and named it whatever you want. Extract artifacts to your newly created folder. Wait until finished. Once you finished extracting the artifacts, you have to find fxserver.exe and start it. Wait until new browser will pop up on your screen. Link your account and click Continue. Create your own password, and don't forget it. Click Next, and follow my lead. You still can configure your server in here, and click Next. Now, we have to get you a license key by clicking the word Keymaster. Click New Server and follow my lead. Put your IP address on it by typing on Google, "What is my IP address?" Copy and paste it. This option will show your database information in txAdmin. Wait it until finished. Now, that is how you do it nice and perfectly. Ongas free. My work here is done. Putang inamo gago. Thank you for watching. Ongas free.